Okay, I'm here with Nancy. Nancy has already completed a few sessions of the spinal decompression with the laser, and already she's having great results. Nancy, tell us, what have you noticed so far?
Well, one, I don't have pain, and I came here feeling a lot of pain and even sadness because it wouldn't go away. Stiffness and burning sensation around my neck to the point where I had to be careful when I turned around to look at stuff. So I was glad that I came in here.
Oh, that's great. And so would you recommend something like this to people if they needed it?
Absolutely, especially if you are one person who likes to be happy and likes to be active and work with joy and comfort. I recommend it highly. I was able to sit down and work at my laptop for about 45 minutes altogether, and I'm like, wow, I feel great. And that brings a lot of joy. You know, I like my job, but it was very difficult to do my job with pain, and it took a lot of energy to ignore that pain. And now I'm able to hone in on what I really like to do, and I was very productive this whole week. I'm very happy. I'm very blessed to have found this location and receive treatment.
Oh, that's great. Nancy, we love having you. Thank you so much for your testimony. Thanks.
You're